Apple confirmed on Friday its purchase of a majority of Intel's modem chip unit in a deal worth $1 billion. The arrangement with Intel is expected to push Apple closer to its goal of developing its own modem chip, as the smartphone maker has always depended on outside suppliers for the component, which link devices like iPhone to wireless data networks. The pound sterling dropped as low as $1.2322 on Monday to register its lowest level since March 2017, after a senior figure in the new government, Michael Gove, signaled a possible no-deal Brexit on October 31. Expectations of settling a last-minute agreement weakened further as British Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab said it was the European Union that had to change what he described as a stubborn position to prevent the UK from departing the EU without transitional deal. A stream of factors shook currency markets on Tuesday, with the US dollar index climbing to a 2-week high ahead of the Federal Reserve's 2-day policy meeting. They then reached intraday highs against the dollar after the BOJ maintained its overnight rate at negative 0.1%, while the British pound remained in the red, posting fresh 28-month lows against the greenback as UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson doubled down on his disagreement to the Irish backstop. Signs of a worldwide economic slowdown increased further on Wednesday, as the Eurozone grew at a sluggish rate in the second quarter, declining to 0.2% from 0.4% in the previous 3 months. Despite jobless data recording an 11-year low, Eurostat's flash readings showed the year-on-year inflation in July slowed to 1.1% from 1.3% in June, raising market hopes of softer monetary policy decision from the European Central Bank in September. BMW saw earnings drop by 20% in the second quarter due to currency headwinds and as the cost of building electric and hybrid automobiles grew further. The German carmaker stated that its earnings before interest and taxes declined to $2.4 billion in the quarter, as a more stringent carbon emission legislation set to be applied in 2021 pushes auto companies to invest to manufacture lower emission cars.